How do we power our off-grid adventures?
Find out in this video.
This is our solar install. For our complete solar and battery system installation, we are working with eTrailer and GoPower. We've got 6 GoPower solar panels on top. It's part of the AE6 solar packages, also comes with the solar controllers. And we have the IC3000 charger from GoPower, and that is charging up our batteries as well when we're hooked to shore power or running the generator. For batteries, we have the Lion Energy UT1300 lithium ion batteries, and links to all of these will be down in the description so you can pick up a set if you want to. Big day today. Our solar panels finally showed up. Got to get those in the back of the truck. Super cool. Just all in one? Yep. Wow. Wow. We have been waiting years and years for solar install, and tomorrow is the day is finally here. I can't frickin' believe it. It's gonna be so cool and make boondocking so much better. Well, that should hold it. The shop is not very far away from here. And this thing, oh my gosh, it weighs a lot. I think I'll bring the other stuff over there as well if they want to take a look at it in advance before I bring the RV tomorrow. Tomorrow. Happy day at French's RV to get solar and batteries installed. Morning! That was one heavy box. They got a nice hole there.
Yep.
Cool.
And if you look, right there's a blue pipe.
Wow.
And that pipe goes all the way down to the basement. So that's
Nice.
where we're going to put this in.
Good
Put
deal.
that baby right on down in there. You don't have to worry about fishing any wire. It'll be right down in there.
And no extra drilling holes in
And
the
it's like
roof, huh?
I've never seen one do that before, but that's good.
It's coming through. Nice.
That might have been a stud. That's not.
So is that like the die-core stuff, basically?
This is like a flexible sealant adhesive.
Okay.
So basically, not only am I sealing the top with the die core, because I'll go over top of this with the die core, but I'm gluing this down with this stuff.
Oh, gotcha.
That's what we've been doing. Because we don't want none of this stuff blowing off.
Right.
You know? And as goes for this, with these nuts and everything they give you to put these down, I don't know. We'll have to, I mean, they seem to be tightening down okay, so it might be all right.
Okay.
It's something that I'm not used to.
So it sounds like you guys installed quite a few of these, huh?
Here lately, we've been doing quite a few of them. Basically doing the same thing that you're doing. People want to be able to go dry camping for weeks and weeks and weeks. You're gonna put all my mistakes out there, huh?
Oh no. And that's the die core then, right?
Yeah. I mean, I don't think we're ever going to have any problems with the stuff that I put underneath it.
Well, it looks like I might be spending a couple of nights here as we get into this project, and solar and battery install is no joke. So it's going to be a lot of work. So I'm glad I'm here solo because, yeah, I'm just going to get by on my water tanks. So, yeehaw.
So I'm going to pull all these out.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's got to come out.
Hey kitty, you like those Lion batteries, don't you? I'm trying to film. We have a stowaway.
Oh, the cat? Yeah, he's been helping me out all morning.
Is that a stray or does that belong to someone?
No, that's our cat here.
Oh, okay.
We have we have several cats here. It actually helps with you get a lot of trailers and stuff like that in here with rodents.
Oh, yeah, I imagine.
No.
Out with the old. Cool.
You can put like a piece of wood across the front. That'll hold it hold the batteries in place, because the back's being held that side, this side will be held.
Right.
So we'll put a block up, like a 2x4 or something across the front to hold everything.
How cool is that? Don't those panels look awesome? Boondocking, here we come. Look at this beast. The Go Power 3000 watt inverter. This thing is so heavy. It's like you need help just to even lift it. That's going to turn our 12 volt lithium ion battery power into our full 120 AC. So that's going to be awesome. That's the next step. Mess of cables in there.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Your arm stuck?
Not anymore.
What's behind door number 1?
Connect the dots. Connecting the dots. Okay, what do we need to do? We need to come down a little bit. Burn the money now, buddy! Yeah.
Ah, that's the control area right here, huh? Cool. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, I have not seen that.
Well, now you have, buddy. That's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah. What we're thinking is mounting it right here, since this guy is not supposed to be in the same compartment as the batteries, and they're on the other side over here. We don't, I mean, this thing is so heavy. Try to reinforce it right here in this area. That way it's not sticking out too far we can still use all the storage that we got right here. And ideally, we try to put it right here, but that's got some movement to it, and it's not supposed to be that close to the batteries. Oh, Carl is going to unplug the shore power now, so the first time we're going to be on the batteries only. Not on 120 yet, but oh, he already did it. Yeah, actually, yeah. So we are being powered off of the batteries only right now. Gosh, you can tell a difference in the lights when you go from 110 to the old batteries. The lights would dim, and I didn't notice a thing. Super cool. Ah, this is so exciting.
Yeah, it says bulk charging right now.
Yeah, bulk charging.
So,
all right, good deal.
I know I need to set that to lithium as well. So I've been reading up on that and how to do that.
Okay.
The solar.
So we are charging. Let me go check it out at the batteries, and if that's the case, then we'll put everything else back together.
The underneath storage here is heated, and it's actually a positive thing because it makes sure all your pipes and water tanks, and just helps keep everything warm when it's cold. But it overheated this, and it went into a protection mode, and there was no way to get out of it. Basically it kept beeping, and it's kind of annoying beep. So I got a hold of Nick from Go Power. We talked through it, and I'm gonna have to, if you come inside here, I'm gonna have to block this vent right here. This is what's keeping this heated in here, and it gets really warm in here. Besides, the converter is generating some heat too, so I don't think we need to have any heat, extra heat added in here. So figure out a solution to block that. And then the cool thing about live customer support at Go Power, technical support, you can just call them. You don't have to verify anything. You just ask them questions and they just answer. Well, thanks for all the help, Nick. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries. If you got any more questions, give us a call back.
I sure will. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Okay.
Bye now. And it hasn't been hard to get a hold of them. They either answer right away, you leave a message, they call you back. So, but I got all the settings, and you can tell the batteries are charging at full rate right now. And I'm gonna make another couple changes on here, and we are good to go. Rock and roll on our solar and battery setup here. It's just a little hole cut into the regular furnace conduit going through the RV, and so yeah, I just have to put in a piece of tinfoil right here so it blocks that off. I think I'm going to do it this way so that we know that it holds. It's not quite as pretty, but at least I don't lose it on the inside there. If I ever need to allow a little more heat down here, if we're in a really cold area, I can just cut some slits in that tin foil. That's actually what we are doing in the bedroom right now. Now I just gotta get out of here. Where are we storing all of that power? Well, it's 6 Lion Energy UT1300 Safari lithium ion batteries. These things hold 105 amps each. And these things are light. I think they're only about 25 pounds. All fits nice and tightly it will automatically switch over if we turn the generator on, and conserving the power of the batteries when the generator is on or shore power is on. It all works seamlessly. Got our battery disconnect switch right there, 80 amp fuse right there, and this is all wired in parallel. The cool thing about these Lion Energy batteries is it's a power button. You can just hit it once and it shows you all 5 bars here. That means it's fully charged. You can check each battery individually. It's all done. I can't believe it. I've been here 3 nights and 4 days working on it. Oh my gosh. Projects always take longer than you expect. But just as like, the ultimate upgrade. It's so cool. I want to thank the guys here at French's RV in Camp Verde for doing this. They got me in within a week or 2, and yeah, just they got it done, and yeah, super thrilled with this package. Can't wait to take it out boondocking. Yeah, sweet. It's time to get back to the RV park. Those hookups aren't gonna last too long, so look who showed up to help me out here. Lance Wind, wheeling with the winds here.
Yep.
And I haven't met you yet, right?
Mackie Bailey.
Mackie? Mackie. Yep. Nice to meet you.
He's another Momentum owner.
Okay, sweet. So I got pulled back into our spot here in Cottonwood, and I got some help from Lance Wind, wheeling with the winds. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I've got my 50 amp cable plugged into the power pedestal on the other side, but I did not turn the breaker on. So I am going to run off of our batteries tonight just to see what I can do. See, take this thing out for a test here. It's not officially boondocking yet, but we can pretend.
On the